darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Thank you for joining me here today. And today, I hope you will come and sail away with me. I'm going to be doing a DIY, and I will show you what I'll show you what I'm going to be using, and feel free to do whatever you want to do with this DIY. This is not my idea, and it's a DIY from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to show you what I'll be using for this Sail Away With Me DIY pizza pan DIY. Alright, let's get a sailing. So I'm going to try my hand at doing one of these DIY pizza pan crafts that you can find here on YouTube. Like I said, this is not my idea. So you go to the Dollar Tree and you go to where they have like the pan section, all the different pans, and you get the pizza pan just like this. So I will be using that. And the craft section, they'll have the rope, but this one I got at the Dollarama because they were out of the rope at my Dollar Tree, but luckily Dollarama had it, but you can get this at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to be using some paint. I believe this is from the Dollar Tree. This, however, isn't, but you can get paint at Dollar Tree. A glue gun you'll need with the glue sticks, and you can get the glue sticks at the Dollar Tree, and I think sometimes you may be able to get a glue gun like this. I can't remember. And I'm going to be using this saying, hope is an anchor for the soul, and this is a wall decal sticker that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and I have one. This is what it looks like. It's Main Street Wall Creations. Hope is an anchor for the soul. I actually got this last year at the Canadian Dollar Tree. I haven't seen this quote there since, but I am making a nautical pizza plate thing DIY. It's going to be nautical, so I'm going to just use this one that I've already used for something else. So hopefully that will work. And I have a piece of scrap booking paper, and I didn't get this from the Dollar Tree, but here in Canada you can, at our Dollar Trees, you can get, sometimes they do have good scrap booking paper, so maybe check it out if you're in Canada. I just got this is from a paper pad from Michael's that I'll hope to use to put underneath like that, and of course like scissors, and I have a little like some brushes that you'll need to use, and possibly I may be using these bows. I'm not sure yet. And these are from Dollar. So there you have it, my darlings. This is my pizza pan nautical themed DIY. Sorry I didn't do step by step, but there's lots of videos on YouTube you can check out that go step by step. But basically I just painted the edge here, and I put the rope around with hot glue, and I put the scrapbooking paper, cut it to the size, and I used the hope is an anchor for the soul wall decal, and then I did use the ribbon, and I added actually two other things. I believe the little wheel is from the sailing wheel. I think that came from Michael's way back when. It was either Michael's or Target, and the anchor is from the Target Dollar Spot. I don't know if it was last year or the year before. I got that. So this is my pizza pan nautical DIY. Feel free to do one up for yourself. You can do so many different themes. It was a lot of fun to do. And remember what I always say here, my darlings, believe in yourself, I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life, and toodaloo, and let's set sails. Toodles! Thank you. Thank you for watching. And please stay tuned because in another video I will show you how I'm going to display this. Okay, thank you. Toodaloo. Toodles.